Hey everyone, Troy here, Dirt Church Industries. Today I want to show you a new product. It is an under-the-seat twin ARB compressor mount for the 2009 to current Dodge Ram pickup trucks. Compressor is mounted here, utilizing the seatbelt mounting locations. You can store the airline underneath the seat here in the storage compartment. The kit that we sell is 100% turnkey, with the exception of the compressor. You have the option of buying that on our website or on your end. We're utilizing the factory ARB rocker switch. When the switch is operated, the light is illuminated. Powder coated steel brackets. Install the airline. Good to go. This can work with the seat folded up or folded down. We offer air chucks on both the driver and passenger side. For safety reasons, we mount the air chuck on the passenger side. That way, if you're operating the switch, it puts you in the ditch as opposed to oncoming traffic. I'll take you here to the driver's side. Yep, we got an air chuck tucked up out of harm's way. Shouldn't interfere with kids or dogs. The factory ARB wiring harness is routed through this slit, factory slit in the carpet. We pull out this drain plug right about here, route the wires through. You will need to crimp a terminal on the positive wire as well as a negative wire. Negative goes to ground, positive wire will go to our wiring harness. Our wiring harness comes out here up top. We got one wire going to the 80 amp circuit breaker, short little jumper wire going to the positive. A real clean, straightforward kit. Should take you about 3 hours to install with basic hand tools. Again, there's no additional sourcing of parts on your end, 100% turnkey. We also offer this for the 2017 to current Ford pickup trucks as well. We will be releasing this for the mega cabs here in the very near future. If you have any questions, be sure to check out our website, dirtchurchindustries.com. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.